Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style farmhouse home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage style farmhouse home decor is a warm, nostalgic decorating style that blends old world charm with simple country living. It celebrates time-owned beauty, comfort, and practical elegance, making a home feel cozy, lived-in, and full of character. Key elements of vintage farmhouse decor. First, antique and vintage pieces. Use old wooden furniture, distressed cabinets, farmhouse tables, vintage trunks, enamel, and repurposed items are central. Use natural wear, tip, and patina are valued, not hidden. A soft, neutral color palette. Think warm whites, creamy ivories, soft beige, muted grays, fresh cream, dusty blue, and faded pastels. These colors create a calm, airy farmhouse feel. Use natural materials: oud, linen, cotton, jute, wicker, stone, and iron to dominate the space. Reclaimed or unfinished wood adds authentic rustic charm. Distress and weathered finishes. Use chipped paint, whitewashed surfaces, or metals, and edge textures. Give the space its vintage character. Cozy, practical furniture. Use comfortable sofas, wooden benches, slip-covered chairs, and open shelving. Reflect farmhouse simplicity and everyday living. Its vintage-inspired accessories: mason jars, old skulls, clocks, framed botanical prints, iron hooks, milk cans, pictures, and antique mirrors bring history and soul into the decor. Handmade and nostalgic details. Use crochet shawls, patchwork quilts, embroidered linens, lace curtains, and floral patterns softens the rustic elements. Farmhouse architectural touches. Use shiplap walls, exposed beams, apron front sinks, barn doors, and open kitchen shelving. Enhance the classic farmhouse look. Overall feeling: vintage farmhouse decor feels inviting, timeless, and gently rustic, a perfect balance between elegance and chic comfort. It is not about perfection, but about warmth, memories, and meaningful pictures. Philosophy behind vintage farmhouse decor. Vintage farmhouse decor is rooted in simplicity, function, and history. Every piece should feel useful, comforting, and meaningful. Instead of buying perfect decor, the style embraces imperfections, storytelling, and a slow, collected over time look. Furniture styling and tips. Wood is the hero. Prefer solid wood furniture like oak, pine, elm, or reclaimed timber. Finishes should look aged, hand scrubbed, whitewashed, lightly stained. Mixed finishes, matching shades are avoided. Statement farmhouse pieces. Use large farmhouse dining tables. Dressers used as sideboards. Antique hutches for displaying dishes. Wooden benches instead of chairs. Textiles and soft layers. Fabrics that feel nostalgic. Use linen, cotton, burlap, chicken stripe, and muslin. Florals, ginghams, green silk stripes, and subtle plaids. Layered rugs, jute plus faded Persian or floral rug. Handmade charm, crochet runners and throws. Use quilted bedspreads, lace-trimmed pillow covers. These elements soften savvy out and add warmth. Decorative accessories layering matters. Everyday objects as decor. Use ceramic bowls, braid boards, drilling pins. Use glass jars filled with cranes or jet flowers, enamel mugs, and pictures. This reflects true farmhouse living. Wall styling. Use antique mirrors with distressed frames. Use botanical prints. Wooden sign with subtle classic typography. Gallery walls that feels collected, not planet. Lighting and atmosphere. Use soft, warm lighting. Use lantern style pendants, iron or bronze candelabras, table lamps with linen shades. Lighting should feel cozy, never harsh. Plates room by room character. First, kitchen. Use open shelves with stacked dishes, apron front sinks, vintage style hardware, wooden cutting boards on display. Next, living room. Use sleep covered sofas, antique trunks as coffee tables, soft throws, and layered pillows. Bedroom. Use iron or wooden beds, detailed bedding with vintage florals, nightstands that don't match. How to avoid overly modern furniture, too much symmetry, plastic or shiny materials, much product, fake vintage, overload. Why vintage farmhouse never goes out of style? It feels warm, authentic, and emotionally comforting. This style works beautifully in cottages, village homes, and even modern houses when balanced thoughtfully. The soul of vintage farmhouse style. Vintage farmhouse decor is about heritage and comfort. Homes feel as if they evolved slowly over generations. Nothing's look rushed or overly styled. Every item has a purpose. Even decorative pieces owns had a practical role. Think white charm, rural simplicity, and aged elegance. Authentic, fast, trendy farmhouse. True vintage farmhouse. Use real or convincingly aged materials. Focuses on function first, beauty second. Feel calm, soft, and timeless. Trendy farmhouse to avoid overdoing. Too many wide design, overly bright whites, matching decor shades, much product, distressed items. Advanced color theory for vintage farmhouse. Foundation colors use warm chalky whites, never stark white, cream, oatmeal, or flux. For supporting tones, use muted olive, shades, eucalyptus, faded denim blue, also soft mushroom gray. Tipped accents use antique black, oiled oat tones, rust, clay, and soft charcoal. The color should feel sun-faded, not flashy painted. Textures. The hidden secret. Vintage farmhouse style works because the texture layering rough wood plus soft linen, aged metal plus delicate lace, stoneware plus glass, oven baskets plus smooth ceramics. Texture replaces the need of bold color. Furniture placement and flow. Spaces should feel open and breathable. Avoid pushing all furniture against walls. Use fewer pieces but make them meaningful. Mix tall and low furniture for visual balance. Farmhouse homes feel useful, not crowded. Storage as decor. Vintage farmhouse celebrates visible storage. Use open shelves with daily dishes, wooden crates for blankets, big rails for apron stands or baskets. Use glass front cabinets for linens. This creates charm while staying practical. Seasonal styling very important. Windows farmhouse decor changes gently with seasons. Spring use fresh flowers and light linens. For summer, baskets, greenery, airy curtains. For autumn, use strange wheat, warm throws, wood tones. For winter, coils, candles, antique lanterns. No dramatic theme shifts, only subtle transitions. The role of imperfection, chipped cracks, uneven paint, and faded fabrics are design feature, not flaws. These details give the home its story and soul. If something looks too new, it doesn't belong, unless you ace it naturally over time. Why this style feels so comforting? Windows from house decor connects people to slower living, family traditions, nature and handmade beauty, emotional warmth. It is especially beautiful in cottages and country homes, but also works in modern houses when applied softly. The collected over time principle, a true Windows from house home never looks newly decorated. Furniture comes from different eras. Wood tones intentionally vary. Decor is spaced, not crowded. Nothing feels themed or matchy. Designers often style the room, then remove 20% to let the space breathe. Wood finishes, how to mix them correctly. Avoid uniform wood colors. Slight pine plus medium oak plus dark walnut. Use straw wood plus painted wood, aged wood. What ties them together is age and texture, not color. Ambiguous reproduction, how to spot quality. You don't need everything antique, but you need honesty. Good cheap production features use solid wood, simple construction, matte finishes, minimal branding. Next, avoid plastic disguised as wood, heavy artificial distressing, shiny hardware. Styling rules designers follow. Rule 1. Odd numbers group decor in 3 or 5s, never pairs. Rule 2. Height variation always mix tall, medium, and low objects. Rule 3. Negative space. Empty space is part of the decor. Walls subtle but storage. Instead of filling walls on large antique mirror, a small framed botanical collection, a simple peg rail with function. Walls should support the room, not dominate it. Next, kitchen, the heart of Windows farmhouse. Use fewer cabinets, more shelves. Everyday dishes visible. Wooden cutting boards always on display. Textiles soften hard surfaces. A farmhouse kitchen was used, not showroom perfect. Next, bedroom, soft and romantic, not rustic. Use iron or wooden bed frames. Creeps cotton sheets layered with quartz. Antique side tables that don't match. Soft lighting only. Bedrooms lean more romantic windows than rustic. Smell and sound, often overlooked. True farmhouse comfort includes linen, beeswax, or herbal scents. Soft textiles that absorb sound. Quiet, calm atmosphere. Design is not only visual, it is sensory. The biggest mistakes to avoid: turning Windows farmhouse into a theme. When every item screams farmhouse, the charm disappears. Simply is key. Why this style works long term? Windows farmhouse decor is beautifully, never feels outdated, works with small or large spaces, grows richer as species age naturally. It is a lifestyle, not a trend. Historical roots. Vintage farmhouse decor draws from 19th to 20th century rural homes in Europe and America. It reflects practical living. Furniture and objects were designed for function first. Local materials uses wood, stone, linen, and iron were sourced nearby. Handmade craftsmanship, quartz, pottery, and wooden furniture are often handcrafted. Aged beauty, wear and patina are part of the story, not flaws. This history gives the style its timeless lived-in charm. Decorative elements use antique mirrors and frames, old scales, milk cans, lanterns, handmade textiles, quartz, crochet, embroidered linens, botanical prints, and subtle florals. Everyday objects as decor, like wooden spoons, pitchers, baskets. Tip: layering decor is essential. Group 3 to 5 items for different heights, textures for balance. The emotional core. Vintage farmhouse decor is not just about furniture, it is about how the home feels: warm, calm, and inviting, nostalgic, and full of memory, comfortable, unpretentious, and lived in. Think of it as a home that tells a story. If its crosses, stains, and faded color is part of its narrative. Advanced furniture techniques mix and match areas, Victorian chairs with rustic tables, mid-century tools with antique cabinets. Scale and proportion combine large statement pieces like farmhouse table with small decorative items like mason jars or vases. Negative space. Leave empty areas. Space is as important as objects. Why it works? For timeless, never goes out of style, adds emotional warmth and nostalgia. Flexible for cottages, country homes, and modern spaces, enhances slow, mindful living. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.